Hello all, this session is related with subscription manager part 2. However, already we provided subscription manager part 1 on that, uh, how to register a system and how to register a the Red Hat VMs or physical servers. Now in this section, this is part 2, and let me explain some other command, or you can say this is the advanced one from previous one. So already I told to how to register a system, and one more method you can see in my screen. This is developer.redhat.com. So directly you can go in that site and you can register, or you can create a credentials for your Red Hat. So this credential are required for whenever you will give Red Hat examination, and this will helpful to download the images and to check the some patches, some packages, RPM. This will help in this. So you can see in this page, register for an account, and whenever you will click, this will show you like this, and register for Red Hat account, and this will ask some your question, login name, password, country, and some your information related view. However, whenever he talks for a company, so you can give any name on this. So you can register for Red Hat account. That is the one more method. And if you want to see the picture, so you can go just on this page, developer.redhat.com / articles on this. So in this you can see this is how it will help to you. These are the points. So you can read this point, and you can learn more and more on about the your uh, credentials. So that is the one. So already register a system for Red Hat support, that is the one, and Red Hat subscription manager, what already I explained, this provide tool to entitle machine to product subscription. However, the product may be RHL, maybe OpenStack, maybe any other tool, or any other you can say this product of Red Hat. So system register is associated with the Red Hat account with an active subscription. So subscribe a system to entitle it to update the selected Red Hat products. So in this will enable the all the repositories to provide software packages. And in this, the one term is used, SCA, simple content access. So actually simple content access, this will allow to online repositories. Already I believe you heard this Red Hat more famous program. This is known as Red Hat Leap Utility. But does Leap Utility will this will show you, or will this Leap utility. So you can see the pages on this will help to you upgrade the version. This is very famous actually in production environment, and this will you give you RHL, you can upgrade RHL 7.9 to RHL 8.10. So for is this RHL 9 to RHL 10. So this is a latest one, and this comes in two ways, online or offline repositories. So offline repositories, this means you have to download all the patches or all the package related with the leaf utility on your system. Then you have to install through the em command, and then you have to use the this uh, upgrade, OS upgrade. And second one is this is the online repositories. So your system is registered with Red Hat, then online repository, this is a major one, this SCA, simple content access. So you have to allow this subscription management capabilities, so that is the known the simple content access. When you enable SCA for your organization, the entitlement process is simplified. So no need to do this subscription at a per system level. Whenever you will allow this, so SCA eliminate the requirement. Simple content access is an optional feature of Red Hat Satellite Server and Red Hat Subscription Manager. So hope you can understand. For more detail, you can search in Google and other website and Red Hat website also. Now again, let me come on the. So you have a registry system. You know very well register Red Hat system and Red Hat through the Red Hat developer. And one more side we discussed in our last session. And so whenever you will see, for example, let me just for example m repo list. So this is the type, you can see repo id and repo name. So here already I configured the two repository, and if you will see the package, for example install this uh, audit hyphen libs hyphen python. So for example, I am looking this package, is there, so this package is not there, but we need to install this package. And in this scenario, sorry, this is hyphen. So in this scenario, what need to do, you have to, for example, you know this system is related with the 7, 8 or 9. So you can this enable the repo. So last session I told was you can check the our last session. So for enabling the repository, I am just writing the command. Actually live classes, this is not actually test server, so this is a difficulty. Let me just show this how to do this enabling the repository. Subscription hyphen manager, then the repos and hyphen enable. REHL 7 dot servers hyphen ELS hyphen RPMS. Actually this system is not registered with directly with Red Hat, so that's why, but this is the command if you want to register this or enable the repository for enable is equal to. Okay, so this is basically, but this will not work here in this. Okay, so you will give the command on the system which registered with Red Hat. If you want to disable after enabling and installing the package, and you can disable through this command will be same, only enable and disable. So this was about the repo, online offline, enable and disable. Now sometimes the packages or the contents under the pool, so nothing to do for the pool, just need to attach the pool subscription. Sometimes it asks the you have attached the pool. So subscription hyphen manager, then attach then hyphen hyphen pool is equal to that ID. You will get this IP ID from your Red Hat page. Pool ID. Pool is equal to pool ID. So that is the command. And if you want to see available subscription, how many system are registered, then you have to run this command subscription manager, then this list, then hyphen hyphen available. So this will run the command. And installation packages you know very well. So now the points is come sometimes in interview. The question will comes, okay, you know very well subscription manager, how to register a system, all things are good, but we to understand we want to know where this product name, entitlement, or consumer. We just know, you know, if this so you want if how many consumed available or consumed, you can this run consumed. So consumed and available, this is a true hyphen. So you can check here. Now the points comes, where are the entitlements and product and consumer. So this is directory actually slash etc slash pki. Under the pki all item will be there. Here is there is no entitlement, so that's why it's 0. And product actually I configured offline repository, that's why it's not showing. This is not the this system is not registered with online. And consumer, how many are there? So these are the, here you can show, you can see the 0, but as this is the configured with the offline repository. So these are the extension 1 as a part 2. And entitlement certificate, digital certificate store current entitlement information on local system, means it's come under etc pki entitlements. So it is was about subscription manager part 2. And whenever you want to upgrade OS version through the Red Hat Leap utility, this will be very helpful for this use. And you need to much and more learn on about the SCA, but SCA nothing. SCA is a simple content access is some attached with the pool ID, then this will fetch the, for example, if you want RHL7 to RHL8, this will fetch the RHL7 and RHL8 repository in a single time. That then you will run the command. This the another separate topic for Leap or OS upgrade. I will guide you this RHL7 to 8 via online repository and offline repository in our next lecture. But this is completely about subscription manager. And in part 1 part 2, what is the simple content access and what is the need of this. So I believe this will help you much and more on this. And already I told in our last session, the whenever you want to register the system, then you have to ask Red Hat the organization name and activation key. So these two items are required, and the command is already told or already given in our the last session. Thank you all. Welcome for a Leap or any other high topic with Red Hat. Thank you all. Thanks.